IWI has created another Sage X3 add-on feature. Introducing the X3 Quote Estimator. This quote estimation tool allows your company to create customer quotes on the fly and makes quoting as easy as it can possibly be. The integrated estimator calculates the price based on customer or prospect requirements. It offers seamless quoting with the snap of a finger, factoring in your burden, your labor, materials, and subcontractor costs, as well as setup time and production time. How does it work? Let's check it out. To estimate a new job, you first create a new product or choose an existing bill of materials. Then, we can add new operations or allow the operation template to be chosen for the job and make any changes needed. And that is all. You can check the estimation that the quote estimator has calculated for you and add any extra costs you would like to. All of this is done in minutes, and you are left with a descriptive cost summary to track the true actuals and profitability for each job. All of this is done in less than a minute. Just send the quote and work order to start the manufacturing process. Imagine what this quote estimator can do for your efficiency and customer service. Save time and send out customer quotes with the snap of a finger, only with IWI's Sage X3 Quote Estimator.